Right, now let's try this question now. A company that extracts natural gas and oil has a drilling platform in Caspian Sea. It is required by legislation of the country concerned to remove and dismantle the platform at the end of its useful life. Accordingly, the company has included an amount in its accounts for removal and dismantling cost and is depreciating this amount over the platform's expected life. The company is carrying out an exercise to establish whether there has been an impairment of the platform. Its carrying amount in the statement of financial position is 3 million. The company has received an offer of 2.8 million for the platform from another oil company. The bidder would take over the responsibility and cost for dismantling and removing the platform at the end of its life. The present value of the estimated cash flows from the platform's continued use is 3.3 million. The carrying amount of the statement of financial position for the provision and dismantling and removal is currently 0.6 million. What would be the value of the drilling platform in the statement of financial position, and what, if anything, it is the impairment loss? Right, now we need to figure out this now. So in that, first of all, we have to find out the how much is the carrying amount. Carrying amount given in the question. See, the company that the carrying amount is 3 million. Okay, and the company has received an offer. That is what you call that. The offer. Now this is 3 million, right? Carrying amount is 3 million. Offer to purchase this business. Offer from another company. How much?
2.8.
2.8 million. Offer to purchase from another company is 2.8 million. And next is the value in use. Do we know? The continuous use. If we use a continuous use, the value that we are going to get, what they say about that? The present value of the estimated cash flows from the platform continuous use is 3.3 million. Then what they say? The carrying amount in the statement of financial position for the provision for dismantling and removal is currently 0.6 million. So this is the provision for dismantling. Dismantling cost 0.6 million. Now what the question is, at what value we should show this plant in the statement of financial position? What do you think, what value we should show?
So the higher of fair value less cost to sell. 3 million.
The higher of fair value less. See, we have this according to IAS 36. We need to find out the recoverable amount, right? Recoverable amount is either fair value less cost to sell or value in use. The fair value less cost to sell is 2.8 million and value in use is 3.3 million. So we have to take the so here, but you see one more thing. 3.3 million, okay. The carrying amount in the statement of financial position for the provision for dismantling and removal is currently 0.6 million. Will this 0.6 million be applicable to this situation?
No.
No. Why? The buyer has agreed to dismantle on its own cost. So this 0.6 million will not be applicable to this situation. Whereas value in use, we have to take out it. So how much is the net value in use then? 2.7 million. The value in use is 2.7 million, whereas fair value less cost to sell is 2.8 million. So which one is highest now?
Fair value less cost.
So which is 2.8 million. Now, so therefore, I know the carrying amount is 3 million. Fair value less, recoverable amount is 2.8 million. Therefore, the asset has been impaired. Correct? And the asset has been impaired. So accordingly, the revised carrying amount will be 2.8 million. And do we have any impairment loss? Yes or no?
Yes.
How much?
200.
0.2 million. Yes, 200. So 3 minus 2.8 million, which is 0.2 million. Can you please repeat this?